Hey everyone, and welcome back to Jet in Japan. And in this video, I'm walking you through the step-by-step process of arriving in Japan as a beginner. I'll show you what happens at the airport, immigration, customs, getting cash, transport options, and even what to do if you arrive late at night. So if this is your first trip to Japan, this guide will help feel prepared. The first one, the entry. So before you fly, make sure you have the basics covered. Number one, valid passport. Number two, a visa if your nationality requires it. So many countries have 90-day visa-free entry, but for the others, you need to apply in advance. Now you also need your accommodation details and return ticket. Usually I put it in my notes app in my iPhone, and then you can use it whenever you need to, maybe on the plane or even in the airport, and just write the details of your hotel address and all that. Okay, now here's a pro tip. Japan has a system called the Visit Japan web, and you can pre-fill your immigration and customs info online before you even arrive. I'll show proof the importance of Japan web later in this video, so keep on watching till the end. But anyway, basically it makes things faster when you use LAN because you just scan a QR code instead of writing forms by hand. Looking ahead, Japan is also planning to launch something like the Japan ESTA system in 2028, similar to the US ESTA for certain nationalities, but for now, it's not required. Next would be the immigration. After you land, head to the immigration. Now, they'll check your documents, take your photo and fingerprints, and might ask simple questions like, what's the purpose of your visit? Do you have friends there? Do you meet someone or somebody? And how long will you stay in Japan? Something like that. Once you're clear, they'll stamp your passport. Now, if you're here to work or study, airports like Narita, Haneda, or Kansai, or even Chubu will also give your residence card right here at the immigration. Now, section 3, we have the baggage claim and customs. So for the baggage, well, you just pick them up at the baggage claim, and Japan makes it stress-free, free luggage cards and clear signs. So yeah, it's self-explanatory. Well, next stop is customs. So just hand over your form. Now if you're writing, then you just hand your form. But this is where the Japan web comes handy. So you just use a QR code if you use to Visit Japan web. If you've got nothing to declare, then you should be waved through in seconds. But I remember just passport, QR code, and I'm good to go. And other people were just lining up, or other people were even still writing, and it took them 20 to 30 minutes. So that's why Japan Visit web is fast lane. They call it the fast lane. I remember some vloggers are not into using the Japan Visit web, but actually it's really helpful. It is really like a fast lane, and I've experienced it not only once but twice when coming to Japan. So please use that. Well, just be careful because there are some sites that are scamming people and they're asking money when you use the Japan Visit web. Actually, it's really free. Just use this site. I'm just gonna put the link down below. So they're free, and just beware of some scammers online. Now, for your first steps in Japan, well, once you're out in the arrivals hall, congratulations, you're officially arrived in Japan. Now, here are your first steps. So, you'll be needing a SIM, an eSIM, or a pocket Wi-Fi. Counters in arrivals hall sell them, but you can also pre-book online. So, for the currency or ATMs, if you need Japanese yen, exchange counters are available, but ATMs at convenience stores like 7-Eleven or Lawson often give better rates and accept foreign cards. For the airport transfers, the airport you can take express trains, buses, taxis, and IC cards like Suica or Paso make travel super easy, and I do have a video for that, and just check them out maybe here or there. I don't know. And I would really recommend Apple Pay Suica. If your luggage is heavy, use a luggage delivery service like Takubin. They'll send your bags direct to your hotel, so you can travel light on the train. Now, if you want to explore before checking in, airports and train stations also have coin lockers, so they're safe, cheap, and perfect for storing bags while you sightsee. For the Takubin, sometimes it would take 1 or 2 days, sometimes even 3 days depending on the location. So the coin lockers is a bit on the plus side there. There's another tip for section 5. One important tip, if you land very late at night, so remember that public transport may stop running. So while taxis are available, they're expensive going into central Tokyo or Osaka. It can cost up to 30,000 yen. So if you are arriving past midnight, consider booking an airport hotel for the night and head into the city the next morning when trains and buses are running again. So if you want to know more of the entry requirements and important things when coming coming to Japan, then this next video is for you. So if this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips about Japan. And I've got plenty more guys coming your way. See you in the next video. Mata ne!